Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to cancel Emirates Islamic credit card. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to cancel your Emirates Islamic credit card, first thing that you need to do is, before you cancel, settle everything first, like paying all outstanding balances in full, close any installment plans like balance transfer, easy payment plans, redeem all reward points before cancelling so you don't lose them, and make sure no recurring payments are still linked to the card. The next is to simply contact Emirates Islamic to request cancellation. Simply head over to your browser, then on the search bar type in cancel Islamic bank card, and here you'll find the option. First option is calling the Emirates Islamic call center at 600-599-995 from your registered mobile to repeat the request, ensuring you read it points, pay balance and foreclose installment first, and expect a call back for the final processing within days. And use your registered mobile number for easier verification and ask the agent to cancel your card. Alternatively, you can also use WhatsApp banking as well and chat with the agent and request cancellation, or email customer at customercareunit@emirateslamic.ae and state your request. Some customers report raising a complaint in the app to request cancellation. If direct cancellation options are available after your request cancellation, bank representative will normally contact you within few days to confirm details and complete the process. After the cancellation request, the bank may ask you why you want to close the card and offer alternatives. Close both primary and supplementary cards and confirm once cancellation is completed. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.